Hi Mo, happy second monthsary. They take all this courage in making of this video for me to let you know how much I love you and how much you really mean to me. And I really wanna let you know that I'm so blessed and I'm so thankful for giving me someone like you. And thank you for always make my day so complete and perfect. And thank you for making me feel that all things are possible. So, sobrang thankful ako kay God because He gave me someone like you. And I'm so contented and happy by having you. I know mo na mas maraming better sa akin, and I wanna grab this opportunity to thank you for giving me a chance na maging part ng buhay mo. And I never imagined that I could be more happy like this, and I never thought that I could love way better like this. So thank you ako that you came. Just wanna do something different, and as you requested always, nakamata ako, gagawin ko. But wait, alam ko, tatawa ka, or else, baka hindi mo na mapakinggan yung kanta ko sa kakatawa mo. But then I just really wanna do this. Kasi gusto ko itang mapasaya. Gusto ko itang mapatawa. So, mo, alam ko, hindi ako good singer. Hindi naman pangit boses ko. May sarili lang akong tono. Yun. Kaya, mo, sana magustuhan mo. Sorry, alam ko hindi maganda boses ko. At sa lahat po na makakanood po ng video ko, pasensya na po. Wala po talaga akong talent sa pagkanta, but gusto ko lang gawin to para sa kanya, kay Mo. Pasintabi po sa mga kumakain. Mo, para sa ito, mawa ka na. Kaya ko to. Yun. At -1 pa talaga. Saan mo para sa ito? If I had to live my life without you near me, days will all be empty. The night will seem so long. With you, I see forever it so clearly. I might have been in love before, but I never felt so strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now, and I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. I don't know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. I don't know by now how much I love you. I wanna change my whole life too, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, love will lead a way for us, like a guiding star. I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view to help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now, and I don't want to live without you. Ayun mo. Sorry, kasi alam mo naman na hindi ako nakakanta. Buti na lang, marunong ako sumayaw. Hindi na lang ako babawi, okay? So, yun. So, sana pakinggan mo na lang din yung lyrics. So, kung ano sinasabi ng lyrics, that's exactly what I feel and I really wanna tell you. And always remember that I do love you and I will always still love you. I love you and happy second monthsary. I love you, I love you, I love you. At sa lahat po ng nakanood ng video ko, pasensya na po at salamat. Hope you like it mo. And I hope na mapatawa kita at mapasmile kita. Pasensya na, yun lang kaya ko and yun. So, I love you and happy monthsary. I love you. Bye.